Hey everyone, how you doing? So this week's build was supposed to be a very simple footstool. However, it turned into a disaster. Have you ever had one of those projects that was supposed to be simple and anything and everything that could go wrong did? Well, that happened to me. Happens to everyone, but it happened to me. So, instead of showing you the actual build of this project, I thought I would highlight all of the disasters that I went through and all the problems I came up with during this build. And, well, to add a little extra to the video, I enlisted the help of my son, and he gave his little characteristics to the video. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. That way you don't miss any more of my videos. But without further ado, enjoy the video.
You're making me nervous now. Alright. Today's project, I'm actually going to have some help from my son. Come here. Come here. He likes it. So he's going to help me today. Alright, you ready? Well, look busy. You gotta love it. And actually, you're going to... What am I doing? Yeah. There's always a problem. Hold the end of it there. All the way on the end. There you go.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Being this way.
Yes.
Don't want
My wife loves being in videos.
two dogs.
And then I need...
Three dogs. There's three of these.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Three of these.
5, 6.
Two.
No. And that's all we need.
Yay.
Oh, that's not good. Yeah, make sure this is locked down.
We need to do. Oh!
Alright.
That time now?
Just about.
Wait, can I do it?
No.
Oh. Why can't I do it? Why can't I do it?
Because...
Oh.
Alright, so I need to go... These are shorter ones. I need the shorter ones. Don't stand in the way, bud.
Oh.
There.
Dad, you know how you and Mom are subscribed to my channel?
Yeah.
You know how see Austin and anyone else was subscribed to?
Yeah.
One of them, didn't, I lost a subscriber.
Oh, that's okay.
Because you're a mom.
That happens.
I don't like it.
Dude, I just charged this. Are you serious? So this is not the way this is supposed to happen. Okie dokie.
Not so pushy.
Don't get in the way of the video.
Can you cut?
Okay. Don't get in the way of the video.
How big is this stool going to be? Like this big? I don't know.
You'll see.
I won't. I'll never see. Stay out this whole entire time?
You just can't walk in front of it. Whoa!
What?
That wasn't good. I broke my drill.
In your bit?
Now that sucks.
Something has to go wrong.
Always.
Yeah, because it's Well, at least it didn't break to down here. That
Yeah.
would have been really bad.
Yep,
Because then you couldn't do it.
I know it.
That was just a pilot drill thing.
Yeah, but you need it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it definitely needs that little thing on it. It's going. Wow,
Well, it worked.
that was bad. It
worked.
doesn't work. I just forced it to work.
You made it. And then you have to.
You're standing right in the way.
Sorry.
Hey, can you go grab me my other clamp?
Swing an egg.
Okay. Jaden, focus. Jaden, focus. There's a clamp right over there. Can you go grab it for me, please?
Like it's swinging an egg, though.
Okay.
You can see. You can see. Oh, you're making it work.
You're standing right in the way again. You just got to be aware of where it's everything's at, bud.
What I wanted to
Don't get in the way.
use it for?
Don't. What?
A cougar.
A cougar?
Yeah.
You want a cougar? How are you going to train a cougar?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I'll let it bite me.
You're going to let a cougar bite you?
No.
Yeah, I don't think that's the best way there, bud.
No.
What?
What happens if one of these chickens dies?
You really have to ask me that right this very second?
Yeah.
Then we'll have a pretty good dinner.
I knew it.
Don't stay in the way.
Oh my gosh. You have to do that.
Do it in. All right. Now, super easy step stool. Don't. Hold on. Let go. Let go. All right. Let me explain this. You could. This isn't the way this is supposed to be. All right. Let me explain this because it's really getting old now.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you. Go away.
No.
Go. He loves messing with me. Stop.